The Touchable, Untouchable, is an interactive participative video work with 11 channels that enables the public to interact with images and videos that users of the SendProtest app, who have used or are still using it, have posted worldwide.
What kind of app is SendProtest?
SendProtest is an app created by multimedia artist Costantino C.Ciervo, who developed it for smartphones working together with a team. It can be downloaded free of charge in the App Store or the Google Play Store. The app makes it possible for anybody who belongs to a progressive and antagonistic cultural group worldwide to document facts and situations that harm our common welfare, and to protest against these wherever they are. Activist users can use the app to express their critical thoughts either anonymously or personally in the form of photos, videos and texts. They can place their protest images in an interactive and retrievable online archive that is accessible to all. The archive is arranged in categories as well as chronologically and geographically. The archive is categorical in the sense that the posted protests are divided into socially critical topics that range from human dignity to pollution of the environment. And it is chronological and geographical in the sense that the critical contents are dated precisely and geolocalized as a way of countering so-called fake news through digital image manipulations. Unlike other apps similar to SendProtest, users do not have the option of posting protest photos and videos that they recorded at another time and place. They can only post sites or events as they take place and as the user is looking at them.
In what way does Touchable, Untouchable interact with the SendProtest app?
The Touchable, Untouchable installation is synchronized with the global online archive of SendProtest via the Internet. This means that photos, videos, and comments posted via the app are automatically available on the touch screens of the installation. However, unlike the posts that can be looked at on the app, the images of the protests in this installation are initially unrecognizable, as an algorithm distorts their form and appearance, giving them an abstract look. In the Touchable, Untouchable installation, visitors are encouraged to touch the screen to discover the real content of the protests, and using their hands and fingers is the only way to remove the filter that is veiling and distorting the true images. Metaphorically speaking, this is the only way they can touch reality.
How does Touchable, Untouchable work?
A structure made of metal tubes in the shape of a pentagonal prism, 2.6 meters high and about 2 meters wide, has two 27-inch touchscreens attached to every one of its 5 sides, arranged above one another at eye level. In the top row of touchscreens, we see a sequence of colors and abstract forms that change in a rhythm of about once a minute. In the lower row of touchscreens, there is a world map on each one with locations marked using red pins, and the one in the middle of each screen displays a caption. If the user has left a comment with their post, a short, critical text appears, either anonymously or together, with the respective user's name. We can also find out the time and date when the protest took place. The caption refers to the photo or video that is documenting a protest at a certain place and at a certain time in the world. The photo or video that matches the writing can be seen at the top of the screen, but appears changed and unrecognizable. The only way the exhibition visitor can reveal the real image is to touch the screen with their own hands and fingers and swipe to see what lies behind the distortion. Visitors can also tap one of the pins on the map on the lower part of the screen, zoom in or out, or independently change the abstract image to uncover the real protest hidden beneath.
What protest categories can visitors interact with?
Each of the 5 sides of the pentagonal structure stands for one of the protest categories, which are stated in simple terms as public demonstration, violating dignity, control and surveillance, architectural catastrophe, and environmental pollution.
Next to the tower made of metal tubing, which is reminiscent of Foucault's panopticon reversed, is a lectern with a touchscreen on it. What is its function?
The function of the lectern is to also provide the visitors with an interactive overview of the protest images published via the SendProtest app. The monitor shows an overview of all protests in the different categories that can be chosen from. All that can be seen here are the pins and comments of the protests, but not the images themselves.